This video explains how to save an Excel file and also how to save the Excel file into another format. For best practice, it is best to save your file before entering data. Excel has an autosave feature in case of a program crash or power outage, but is not always reliable. It also only saves in a specified amount of time, depending on your settings. For example, it may only autosave every 20 minutes or every 10 minutes, again, depending on the program settings. Therefore, to prevent data loss from an accidental incident, save the spreadsheet before beginning. If you have a new spreadsheet open, notice that it is labeled Book 1 at the top. To save your file, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the ribbon, click on Save, and the Save As window will pop up. This one is telling me it's going into my Documents file. If I want to change it to my desktop, I can click here. Or if I need to save it to a jump drive, you can scroll down, find your computer locations, and select your jump drive. For me, I'm going to leave it in Documents. Notice that the file name is book1.xlsx. I'm going to highlight it, name it Test Example. Take notice to the Save As type. It's an Excel workbook, and click the Save button. Notice that the file name changed at the very top. From now on, you can simply click the Save button to save this file in its updated data. If you have an existing document open, clicking Save will overwrite the previous saved version and continue to save it to the name it was already titled. If you need to rename a file and have another version, you will need to click the File tab, choose the Save As, and then give it a new name. I'm going to add a 1, and this time I want to save it as the 97 to 2003 workbook version. You can select the Save As type drop-down box and select the .xls version. If you are sending this file to another person using the 2003 version of Excel, then you can select this and they'll be able to open it. Take note, 2003 or earlier versions of Excel have the file extension XLS. 2007 or newer versions of Excel will automatically save as an .xlsx file extension. For this one, we're going to go ahead and save as the 97 to 2003 version, and I simply click Save. Notice at the top, my file name changed again, testexample1.xls. And now I have two versions of this file. One is named Test Example, and the other one is named Test Example 1. This concludes the video for Excel Basics on how to save.